Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today is International Waffle Day around the world. I love waffles. Buttermilk, blueberry, Belgian, you name it. Ain't nothing like waffles. Well, today, in honor of Waffle Day, I'm going to share with all of y'all one of my favorite waffle flavors since my childhood, strawberry waffles. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, bursting with strawberry flavors. We're going to use fresh strawberries in this recipe. It's sure to make your mouth water. And also, I'm very excited. I'm going to use my new waffle maker I received for Christmas. And Easter coming up, this will be perfect for Easter brunch and a great breakfast treat to serve for your family during the weekends. Everybody's going to fall in love with these waffles. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my waffle recipes playlist and my previous video, Lemony Lemon Bars. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your strawberries, your flour, and heat up your waffle maker sugar, because we're about to cook some strawberry waffles magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep up the egg whites. In my bowl I have 2 extra large egg whites, and we're going to whip these on high speed until they reach stiff white peaks. Alright my friends, this is what our egg whites look like. Nice stiff white peaks. They look like clouds. Perfect. So now we're going to set the egg whites aside while we prepare our other ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 2.5 tablespoons of white sugar. Going to sift these together. So now we're going to make a well in the center. Time to add in the wet ingredients. 2 extra large egg yolks at room temperature, a 1/4 cup of canola oil, 4 tablespoons, which is a half a stick of unsalted butter that melted and cooled, 1.5 cups of sweet milk, which is Southern Talk for whole milk at room temperature. And here's the ingredient that's going to make our waffle nice and moist and give it extra flavor. We're going to add in 1 5.3 ounce carton of Greek yogurt. And also we don't have to add any vanilla extract because it's vanilla flavor. And 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. Going to fold all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Alright my friends, now it's time to add in our egg whites. And last but not least, the star of the show, our fresh strawberries. Going to add in 1 cup, and I rinsed them. Fold them in until they're well incorporated. And the batter will be lumpy. And that's all right. You don't want to overmix it. All right, as soon as I get through folding my strawberries and egg whites, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, this is what our batter looks like. I can smell the strawberry extract and the fresh strawberries. Smells amazing. All right, so now we're going to let our waffle batter rest. And while that's resting, I'm going to preheat my waffle maker. Alright my friends, our waffle maker is nice and hot. Oh yeah. So now I'm going to spray my waffle maker with cooking spray. Or you can use melted butter. And this waffle maker if it spills, it'll catch on the side. Isn't that cool? All right. Now we're going to take some of the waffle batter. Just pour it like so. So now we're going to cover it. And we're just going to follow the directions on your waffle maker. Going to let it cook until it's golden brown. I smell waffles. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Gorgeous. See how nice and golden brown that is? All right. So now I'm going to brush it with some melted butter. Like so. Love this waffle maker. And you see the excess batter out into the side? No mess on the table. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my waffles. And I got 4 on my plate. And there's a couple more things I gotta add to them. A drizzling of maple syrup. Some whipped cream. Some sliced strawberries. And a little strawberry on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh strawberry waffles. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. And you can see the specks of strawberries inside. Look at that. Have a bite. It's moist and crispy, tender. I can taste the strawberries and it's yummy for the tummy. These strawberry waffles are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Strawberry waffle-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email. ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creation with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. And happy Waffle Day.